Hello everyone. So finally welcome to the Boolean and comparison operator course. So what we'll be doing in this course is basically talking about the Boolean operations and comparison operators. So just open, for the sake of a course, just open the new ideal shell and just type a new script and save it as Boolean .py. It is Boolean .py. And after saving, just will go to the cell first and talk about the some of the Boolean operations. So what is Boolean? Basically Booleans are true or false, or 1 or 0. So basically there are the two value in a bool. So bool means either it should be 0 or it should be 1. So 0 means false and 1 means true. Let me show you something here. True is true. So if you write a true, it will give as true is true. And similarly, if you write a false with a capital F, and you'll see it a false. So what is about a small true? That is in all the lowercase and it won't be valid. There is a name error where true is not defined, means you just have to capitalize the tree in a true and F should be capitalized in a false. Similarly, when you talk about assigning the value of just a true, assign a true in the A, and if you want to see the type, what the type or the data type of A is, so just write a type of A and it will surely be a bool. So what about true? It is E. So what do you think it the type of a call to column? So what will be the type of this A now? So it will be obviously string, not a bool, because this is a string with a double quote. In if you write it true in a double quote, it will be the string rather than being a boolean. Boolean means just a true with not anything in it, not double quote or in single quote, and it's just a true means it's just a Boolean logic. So it is a conditional logic. Basically, if you test any condition, it should be either true or a false. So this is a very important data type to remember if you are going into the conditional logic or any comparison operators. Similarly, if we talk about the comparison operator, so 3 is greater than 4. Is 3 greater than 4? No, it should give you a false. And similarly, if you give you 4 is greater than 3, it should give you a true. So these are the conditional comparison operator. Means you are comparing 3 with 4 with a greater or equal to or any sign. So 3 equal to, so just keep a 3 equal to 4. This it should give you an error because 3 cannot be assigned to 3, because literals cannot be assigned, because 4, what you are doing here is you are assigning 4 to 3. So just for the comparison or operator, double equal is for comparing the equal. 3 is equal to 4 means is 3 equal to 4, not it should give you a false. Similarly, is 45 not equal to 4? So it is the exclamation sign and I call is sign. This signifies that it is not equal to. Just remember this, just it is not equal to 2 means not equal means just put an exclamation sign and equal to. This is for the not equal to. So 45 is not equal to 4, so it is true. This is for equal to and this is for not equal to. This is for greater and this is for lesser, and this is a greater or equal to, and this is for less or equal to. So 3 is less or equal to 4. It is obviously true because 3 is obviously less than 4, so one condition is true, so 3 is less than 4. So this is known as the comparison operator, where you should remember the lesser equal to or greater or equal to, and similarly equal to. This is for assignment operator and this is equal operator, and lesser equal to, not equal to, this all operator are comparisons operator, and this is a very important operator to know.